if you're ready to monetize your YouTube channel, go ahead and click on your profile right here on the upper right hand corner. Then click on YouTube Beta. Once you're on this section, scroll down and click on, or just hover your mouse over other features and click on monetization. Then you're going to see here your account status. It says monetization not enabled if you haven't started this process yet. And remember that you need at least 4,000 watch hours for 12 straight months and at least 1,000 subscribers. All right. Then you can go ahead and click on start if you're ready. And by the way, you can start the process even if you haven't reached that limit yet. You don't have to wait until you reach all those limits or requirements before you can start applying for monetization. I'll show you in a bit on what I mean by that. So you just go ahead and agree to the terms right here. Okay. And then you can opt in to email updates, announcements, and tips. You go ahead, click on I accept. Step number 2 will ask you to sign up for AdSense. AdSense is Google's ad network. This is basically where you can start earning money. This is where your monetization demand will mainly come from. So AdSense will supply all those ads that will appear on your videos. Okay, so if you don't have an AdSense account yet, or you need to sign up, go ahead and click on start. Oh, by the way, this step is still required even if you already have one. So I'll show you that in a bit. So click on start. It will then say you will be redirected to AdSense to link your existing account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. So once you have completed this process, you will be redirected back to YouTube and then just click on next. So here it will display the email address that is automatically detected by the browser that you have used to log in. Now, if you don't want to use this email for your AdSense account, go ahead and click on use a different account. But if that's it, that's correct, then you go ahead and continue. The next field will show your YouTube channel automatically as well. So it is able to detect the account. You don't have to edit. And then here you can either say yes to get some customized help and performance suggestions that will be sent by AdSense from time to time to your email, and no if you don't want to. Of course, you would want to say yes here. And then you select your country or territory. So I'll go ahead and select United States. And then you can review and accept the terms and conditions and say yes. And you can say create account. This is now the user interface of AdSense, Google's ad network. And you can say get started. It will then show you your payment address details. And in order for you to make sure that you get paid, you need to provide the correct address here. And it's important as well because AdSense will send you a mail that will contain your account PIN. And you need to enter that PIN in your account in order to get paid. And I'll have another tutorial to discuss that. So I had to edit the address because it showed the wrong or my previous or old address. And then I clicked on submit and this is now what I see. And then it redirected me back to YouTube. Step number 3 now is to set your monetization preference. So you just click on start right here. And if you want to monetize all your existing and future videos, keep this checked or turned on. If not, you can turn that off. Okay. And then here you can select the ad formats. So overlay ads, those are ads that will show up over your video. So while the video is playing, sometimes you can see like a display, a regular sized ad that will show up. Let me try to zoom that in right there. And then you can also see sponsored cards. And while your video is playing right here, it's going to show up right there on the side. And skippable. So it's like an overlay or interstitial that's, it will take up the whole space while your video is playing, and then there's going to be another video ad, but users will have an option to skip it. And these type of ads are very high paying most of the time. But display ads, you don't have the option to turn it on or off because that's default and that's required. Okay, once you have all your settings set, you go ahead and click on save. And there you go. So right now it says here, you have 1, 2, 3 all set. But for the fourth one, this is now where YouTube will start monetizing your videos. Because again, you need to reach at least 4,000 watch hours for the last 12 months, and you need at least 1,000 subscribers. So this account I'm using right now obviously is not there yet. But I'm using this as a sample or to demonstrate how you have to go about the process. That's it for now. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll be updating or uploading more tutorials for you. And I'll see you soon.